Hi there, welcome to this tutorial. This is a question from NECTA 2015, question 6b. It is relevant for NECTA, GCSE and IGCSE students. So the question says the temperature Ti inside a house is directly proportional to the temperature To outside the house and inversely proportional to the thickness T of the house wall. If Ti is 32, when To is 24 and T is 9 centimeter, find the value of T. Ti is 36 and To is 18 degrees centigrade. Right, so what I've done, I've taken out all that information and just put it here and here. Okay, to make it easy for me to understand. And this is what you should do first. So we got all this information and we are told to find T when Ti equals 36 and To is 18. So if you are familiar or sort of familiar with these type of questions, you get given some sort of data first that will help you to find the constant of proportionality, and then you can use it to find the missing data. All right, okay, so let's start. It says the temperature Ti is directly proportional to the temperature To. So To goes up here and inversely proportional to the thickness T. Okay, so T goes up here. Now what we need to do is remove the symbol of proportionality and introduce the constant of proportionality. So Ti is going to be equal to K To over T. Okay, what we need to find is use this data to find K. So we need to make K the subject of the formula. Okay, so K is going to be T times Ti over T naught. Okay, using the information that I'm given, T is 9 and Ti is 32 and To is 24. Right, I see this is there's 3 8s in there, so 3, there's 4 of them here, 1 3 there and 3 3 there. So K is going to be 3 times 4, which is 12. Okay, so now I can rewrite this formula like this. So Ta equals to 12 To divided by T. Well, I'm asked to find T, so I'm just going to make T the subject before I input any numbers in there, because it's easy to rearrange like this. So T is equal to 12 To over Ti. So T equals 12. Well, To is 18, so times 18 divided by Ti, which is 36. You can see that's a multiple of 12 here. So there's 1 12 there, there's 3 there, 1 3 there, and 6 3 there. So therefore T is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. Thank you for watching.